How to view recently viewed pins on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can see the recently viewed pins on Pinterest, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to view the recently viewed pins on your Pinterest profile, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Pinterest app. Then just tap on the saved icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Then from here you want to simply come to your profile icon from the top left of the screen, as you can a little bit see over there. Then once you come to that page, from here you want to simply go to Home Feed Tuner. And when you go to Home Feed Tuner, from here you will see all the pins that you have actually viewed in the past, and you'd be able to find them or download them as per your choice. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically find all the viewed pins on Pinterest. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.